Craig, here we go. Your initial reaction to the draw in the group?
No, good draw. Good draw. I'm happy, definitely happy with a 5-team draw. It's different. There's different threats. There'll be different competitions. Like we have to travel far. Belgium's nice. I've lived in Belgium for a number of years, so I watched them a lot over the last number of years. So that'll be familiar to me. But yeah, North Macedonia, different challenge. Kazakhstan, different challenge. Liechtenstein as well. So it's going to be tough.
Belgium will certainly be the headline. We've played them so many times in recent years, but from your own, like you just said, your own personal experiences, how do you assess their national side at the moment?
I'm not really looking into. You're asking me a question that let me adjust. Yeah. I've kept an eye on them, don't worry, but I don't want to jump in. I'm fully aware of what's happening there, but they have such good footballers, and it'd be nice to see a few of them as well because I've been involved with a few of them. So that'll be good. But if I'm being honest, there's a lot of games in this. There's a long way to go, but it's a good draw. It is a good draw, and I would have probably said that no matter who we would have had, I would have been happy with. And it's just up for us to try and get that top spot.
You've mentioned the group of 5 starting in March as well. What's the benefit of that, and how much are you looking forward to getting started as soon as possible?
Just go. That's it. I don't really want friendlies. Competition, something on it every time you play. Like it is that case. I always find my personality is that. But just go straight into it. And then it is a gap obviously from November to March. But as soon as we address the play, as soon as we come in, this is what we've been doing. This is how we do it. Let's get back to it, and let's get back to try and qualify.
Finally, how have you found the experience of being here today? It's a privilege to be out here in Zurich at FIFA. How have you found it? Have you enjoyed?
It's okay. Yeah.
Not bad.
It's not. You know me as a personality. This is a bit too flash for me. But it's different. It's very, very different. So I probably wouldn't like to go to another one of these to adjust. First time round usually catches me off guard, but it's what I expected. The football now, when we get away from here, now we started adjusting, looking at the teams we're up against. The real work really starts then, and that's what I'm looking forward to.
Craig, diolch yn fawr.